What is a Brazilian wax? What a Brazilian wax is and why. It's one of the most popular at-home beauty routines for achieving smooth skin. Its benefits, such as longer-lasting results compared to shaving. Why pain-free waxing is possible. Debunk the myth that Brazilian waxing has to be unbearably painful. Share an encouraging statistic, such as, with proper techniques, most people experience minimal discomfort. Preparation phase. Smooth start. Timing is everything. Wax during the right phase of your menstrual cycle, a few days after your period, when pain tolerance is higher. Exfoliation hack. Use a gentle sugar scrub the day before to remove dead skin cells and ensure better wax adhesion. Set the mood. Recreating a calming environment with soft music, scented candles, and good lighting to reduce anxiety. Pain management plan. Take an ibuprofen or apply a numbing cream 30 minutes before starting to minimize discomfort. Choosing the right tools. Professional DIY setup. Wax types demystified. The difference between hard wax, ideal for sensitive areas, and soft wax, better for large areas. Recommend high quality, skin-safe brands. Perfect temperature. Demonstrate how to heat wax to the optimal temperature, warm, but not too hot, using a thermometer or visual cues like texture. Supplies checklist. Highlight must-have items: pre-wax cleanser, wooden spatulas, cotton strips, aloe vera gel, and a mirror for precision. Waxing techniques. The pain-free process. Small sections first. Begin with smaller sections of hair to get used to the sensation. Wax direction matters. Apply wax in the direction of hair growth and pull it against the grain for effective removal with minimal tugging. Stretch the skin like a pro. Use one hand to stretch the skin taut while pulling the wax with the other for a smoother and less painful experience. The pull technique. Pull the strip quickly and close to the skin surface, not upwards, to avoid unnecessary pain. Pain relief tricks during and after waxing. Distraction techniques. Holding an ice cube in the opposite hand to trigger the gate control theory of pain management. Breathing exercises. Teach deep breathing or rhythmic exhales before pulling the wax for relaxation. Post-wax cooling remedies. Apply a cold compress or chilled aloe vera gel immediately after waxing to soothe inflammation. Post-waxing aftercare. Long-lasting results. Moisturize religiously. Use a fragrance-free lotion to keep the skin hydrated and reduce dryness that may cause itching. No too tight clothing. Wear loose, breathable fabrics for 24 hours to prevent irritation and follicle clogging. Exfoliation routine. Exfoliate gently after 48 hours to prevent ingrown hairs and maintain smoothness. Advanced tips. Pro-level DIY practice makes perfect. That the process gets easier with each session as they refine their technique. Suggest practicing on less sensitive areas before attempting a full Brazilian. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more.